How can I make a claim after a car accident if I needed ambulance transport, hospital care, and spine surgery? You usually need to prove three main things: that someone else caused the crash, that your medical treatment was related to the crash, and that your losses are backed up by records. In a serious case like this, insurance companies often look very closely at fault and at whether the ambulance care, hospital treatment, and spine surgery were truly caused by the collision. That is why it helps to gather the crash report, photos, witness information, ambulance and hospital records, surgical and therapy records, medical bills, health insurance paperwork, and proof of missed work and lost income. Clear medical records and doctor opinions can be especially important if the insurer argues the surgery was caused by a pre-existing condition or was not related to the wreck. If your own actions are blamed for helping cause the crash, that can seriously hurt the claim, so early evidence matters. And if health insurance paid some bills, there may be reimbursement issues before the case is resolved. Do not assume insurance talks will extend your deadline to file a lawsuit.